Hey guys, what's happening? Hey, what's going on? What's going on? What's going on? Welcome back to, I'm making a mess. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name's Sam, welcome to the Sam fam. Go ahead and do me a favor and subscribe to the channel now if you haven't already. As you can see from the title, today we're doing a little get ready with me. Nothing super crazy or anything, but this is the look that I did, giving me a little bit of spring vibes-ish. But yeah, I just wanted to get ready for TikTok because that's what I do these days. I don't know about y'all, but I ain't got nowhere to go. And y'all shouldn't either, because y'all should be staying home. So don't forget to stay home and stay safe. But I'm not gonna talk too much. We're gonna hop right into the video. But like I said, please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below what else you guys wanna see from me. And yeah, let's get into the video.
Gotta go. Ain't got time for no hello. Some people I eventually outgrow. Yeah.
What's up, y'all? So as you can see, I already have my brows done and my eyelids primed. I just used my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in caramel, whatever, to like clean up my brows and prime my eyelids. I did just get this palette in the mail. It is the 18B Makin Morphe palette. I have been needing a new eyeshadow palette for a while, so I ordered this. And I also ordered the James Charles mini palette just because it had such a wide range of shades that I needed. So that hasn't came yet, so I'm just gonna use this one. I'm gonna show you guys what the palette looks like inside. It has the like name card on it right here, the big mirror as you can see, but here are the shadows. They're really pretty. So I'm gonna do like a green mossy look for, you know, the spring, even though I'm literally getting ready to make TikToks because that's the quarantine life we live. So yeah, I thought I'd share, or I thought I'd get ready with you guys on here because people have been asking about my makeup lately. So I'm like, cool, I don't really do tutorials. So like you guys can kind of watch what I do as far as my eyeshadow is concerned and like, you know, maybe pick up a couple tips. I don't really know. I just felt like chatting with you guys and getting ready because that's what I do now. I like literally get ready for nothing and make TikToks in my house and it's a great time. Oh my God, there's so many little particles flying. Okay, so my brushes are dirty per usual. Let me go get a little towel to like wipe off my brushes on. If I'm a good person and I remember, I'm going to write down all of the makeup that I'm using down below in the description box so you guys can follow along or just try it out on your own if you'd like. I did order a bunch of brushes from Morphe too that are supposed to be coming soon, so I'll be excited when I get those because I definitely need some new brushes badly. All right, so let's see here. Okay, the first color I'm gonna go into is called Stacks. It's this color right here. And I'm gonna use that as like a transition, can I speak English, shade. I've never had a Morphe palette before, so I'm excited to try this out. Sorry, my mirror is gonna be here in the way because that's just what it do. Okay, so I'm just literally placing this like above the crease. First, I'm gonna pack it on here. And then I'm gonna buff it out. I didn't realize it was gonna be so dark, but it's okay. What I'm gonna do to kind of like lighten it up, the transition from like my brow bone to there, is I'm gonna go in with the color, what is it called? It's called C Note. It's like a lighter green shade. Let me show you. This color right here. And I'm just placing it like on the top of my, like, I don't know how to, on the side of my blending brush, just to like literally take it like this. And kind of blend it up. Just like that. These shadows are so pigmented and blend like so easily. Makes my life so great. Oh my God, guys, have you been listening to the Party Next Door album? If you haven't, you're crazy. You're really crazy if you haven't, because it's so bomb. On this other eye, I'm gonna start off with that lighter green shade because I probably should have done that on the other eye, but it's okay. So I'm just placing that like right below the brow bone basically. And then I'm going back in with that darker green color and placing it in the upper crease area. The Party Next Door album is literally everything I needed and more. I don't know about you guys, but it's right on time. I love it. I mean, I'm not even like really in my feelings, but I just live in my feelings, so it's like perfect for me. And he has Rihanna out the album. Like, okay, we see you. We see you. This is what we're looking like so far. Okay, guys, sorry, I had to continue filming my TikTok. I'll put the TikTok that I actually did for this makeup look in here. I'm trying to out these new transitions. If you guys know TikTok, you know the transitions are kind of hard to grasp. So it's a little rough around the edges, but it's cool. So now for the makeup, now that we have like these two colors and it's kind of dark, I'm going to take this shade right here. Wait, let me see what it's called before it's called Dalla Dalla, okay? I'm gonna take Dalla Dalla, which is this greeny colored shade right there. And I'm gonna place that like all over my lid. What have you guys been doing to pass your time? Besides working from home, I've been making TikToks, making YouTube videos, cleaning, organizing, sleeping and eating, and going on runs in my neighborhood. I'm not even gonna try to act like this quarantine is really killing me because I'm a homebody, so it's like cool, you know? I just miss going out to eat. Like I miss getting ready to go out to eat and like wasting money. That's all I miss. So, I mean, it's fine. I just feel bad for like all the other shit that's to come and all the people that are literally dying and losing their jobs and all that stuff. Like that's the messed up part, but we're not gonna go into it. We're not gonna go into it. Let me just place this color on my lid like I said I was gonna do. I don't even know if like IKEA is still running, but I really need shelves. I need to finish decorating my apartment. It's getting played out. Like, how many times are we gonna film in this area with this white plain background? You know, like step it up, Sam. It's 2020. Okay, anyways. So now I'm taking this flat shader brush and just placing this all over my lid. Oh, it's a really pretty color, I like it. I'm taking it like into my crease too. And we'll blend it out after. It's kind of like a smoky eye, but you'll see, it's gonna be a little different. Okay, now I'm just gonna take this blending brush that's clean and just, I thought it was clean, better. So you want it to just be like, you know, all blended together. Hopefully you guys can really see. Let me get you guys a little closer. There you go. So I'm gonna keep packing it until it's at the color I want it to be. Sorry, you guys were getting a little cut off there. Comment down below what the first thing y'all gonna do after this quarantine, because that's what I'm trying to figure out. You know, like me and my friends are trying to plan a vacation, but it's hard to plan because it's like, when is it gonna be really over? Also, if the economy is crashing and it's gonna be horrible, like, should we really be spending money? But then it's so cheap, it's like, might as well, like, the struggles, you know? Let me know what y'all doing though. Like, what is the first move you're making when we can step outside again? I ain't never wanted to go outside so bad. Like, I'm about to be with all the moves until like maybe 2 days after we're free again. I'm gonna be back to being a homebody. But you know what? For the beginning portion, I'm about to be, oh no. Look what I just did in the corner. Sorry about that, guys. My camera loves to play these games, which is why I never really use my camera and use my phone all the time nowadays, but it's fine. So I just finished doing the same thing on this eye that we did on this eye, which was adding that color to the lid and kind of blending it up, as you can see. Now for the fun part, we're going to do like a halo eye. So cutting the crease like just a tad bit in the middle. Sorry, let me put you guys up so you can see. I'm just taking a little bit of my NARS concealer and putting it on the back of my hand. Like so. And then I'm gonna take, I always use the brush on this concealer because it's like exactly what I need it to be. But anyways, I'm just taking this flat little brush, putting it in the concealer, and then I'm gonna cut the crease right in the middle, like and this could be kind of messy because it's gonna blend into the other colors. So like that, see? And now I'm gonna go back with another color from the palette. I'm cleaning off this flat shader brush that I was using earlier. And I'm gonna take the color, what is it called? I'm gonna take the color Cha-Ching, which is this color right here, and place that right over the concealer. Now to make it not look so like harsh, I'm just gonna like kind of blend it into that dark green on the edges, like soften the edges a little bit so it's not super harsh. Then I'm gonna take, ooh, where did it go? This blending brush earlier that we were blending that green color up with and just blending it into here. And I'm just gonna kind of like go back and forth until it's at my liking. Just trying to make it a softer blend. See here? Boom, now we're gonna do the same thing on the other eye. All right, so here's the eyes. Looks crazy right now because I have no face makeup on, but I'm gonna do my face makeup really quick. I just want to focus on the eyes. My face makeup is pretty much the same as like my everyday makeup look that I've done on here a few times, so I'll be right back. And we're back. So I have all my face on except for my blush and my lips, and I might do a little bit of highlighter today, I'm not too sure, and I haven't set my face with any setting spray yet, so yeah, I'm going to use, actually let me go grab it. Okay, I'm gonna use the Juvia's Place Saharan Blush Volume 1, and I'm going to use the orangey shade right there as my blush, very lightly, because we don't really want orange cheeks, but you know, something light. So look, it already has a lot of pigment, so I'm just gonna barely tap it on each side of my face and then blend it up. And then I've been into like adding a little blush to my nose too, just for fun. Very light, might add a tad bit more, just a little bit. Now I'm gonna buff it out a little bit with my Juno Beauty Sponge. Okay. Same lip combo I've been doing for ages. It's the Hot Cocoa NYX Lip Liner. I like to fill my lips in with the lip liner too, like on the outer edges. So like the middle part is open, right? Then I'm gonna take my favorite lipstick. I swear I've been doing the same combo forever. You guys are probably bored of it, but I just can't help it. I can't find the lipstick though. Where did it go? I don't know where my lipstick went, but thankfully I have a backup, so I'm gonna open this. But this is the NYX lipstick in the color Spirit, and it's a matte lipstick. The new one is just so creamy. I'm just placing it in the middle, and then Rubbing it in. Before I put my lip gloss on, let me put my lashes on. So what lashes should I wear today? Something flirty and not too much, probably. Lashes I had on yesterday, these are called Luna, I think. Yeah, Luna from the Balm Extensions. So I'm gonna put my lashes on really quick and I'll be right back. Okay, my lashes are on. I decided to do a little bottom eyeshadow. I don't always do bottom eyeshadow because I'm a weirdo and I don't really like it. But I'm gonna go in with C Note, which is that light green shade from the palette, and just place it on my lower lash line. Like so. Okay, now I'm gonna set my face with my Fix Plus from MAC. I fan and then I pounce. And now I'm gonna take a little highlighter. I'm using my Bobbi Brown highlighter in Bronze Glow. Mine's a mess, but it's fine. Taking a little highlighter brush, barely putting any on my cheeks. A little bit on my Cupid's bow. We usually do this before I do my lips, but it's fine. Then I'm gonna take a little brush, a little blending brush, dip it in there and just put it right on the tip of my nose. Like so, but then I'm gonna blend it in. Now to finish my lips, my favorite lip glosses are the Fenty Gloss Bomb and Fenty Glow. I put this in the center of my lips where the light color is. Then I take this Max Clear Gloss and I put it on the corners of my mouth, on my lips. I'm gonna go take out my Beauty Mark, clean up my nose ring, and do my hair really quick. Probably change my shirt too, and I'll be back. And I'm all done. This is the finished look. Let me get up close for y'all. Bomb, with nowhere to go. Quarantine tings, quarantine tings, quarantine tings. I'm over it, but it's okay. It's okay. I'm gonna take some pictures. I'm gonna put the TikTok that I just finished here so you guys can see it. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And comment down below what your favorite quarantine ting is to pass the time. Love to know, would like some new ideas. Also let me know what else you guys want to see from this channel during this time. I had a couple people say that they still wanted to see the bikini haul, so I'm most likely going to be posting that next after this video, so stay tuned for that. But other than that, I will see you guys later. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, follow me on Instagram and TikTok and all that good stuff. All right guys, bye.
Yeah. You ran through my mind, it's like I'm on the freeway. Yeah, baby, you ran